Hi, I'm Pam Lobb, your health and transformation genie. Today, I want to offer you a way of improving your health. Never been a time like it where it's so important to take your health as your number one asset. Right now, we're deep into the pandemic of COVID-19, and people around the world are in lockdown. This is totally unprecedented. Nothing like this has ever happened in the history of humanity, for so many people around the globe to be affected at the same time by something that can be catastrophic. There are people dying. There's people dying by the minute right now. And unfortunately, what this virus is affecting is mostly, I mean, it's affecting everybody, but it's really worrying for people with any health condition, any chronic health condition. And the rates of chronic health conditions are rising around the world anyway. What it's really highlighting is how important your health is and how quickly life can be taken away from you. I lost my husband 15 years ago to cancer, so I know what it's like to lose a loved one. And we had time to prepare. We had a year where we could sort things out. People right now are not having that time. So I implore you to start taking care of your health, boosting your immunity, so that you can be there for your family, not just today, but for the rest of your life. To be able to do what you really love, to be there for your grandchildren in the future, you need good health. Without your health, everything, and I mean everything else, starts falling apart. It's hard to work, fatigue, and if you've never had fatigue, the nearest like it is the flu and what people have experienced, unfortunately, with this virus, possibly. If you've never had chronic fatigue, it is destroying. I've been there, I know, I have that t-shirt, and I wouldn't wish it on my worst enemy. So, start taking care of your life. And I'm here to teach you. I'm doing a short course here, some simple lessons, some short videos to get you started in sorting out your health and making it your top priority today. So please sign up below. I am here to support you, and I want you to be here for the years to come, feeling full of life, full of joy, being able to do the things that you love. So please come and join me today. Your life really could depend on it. Take care. Bye for now.